carrots, we are going to be reading a story today called Too Many Carrots, and it is by Katie Hudson. She is the author of the story, and the author means that she wrote the words to the story. So what do we see on the cover? Do you see anything? I see a lot of carrots. Let's see what this story is about. Rabbit loved carrots. He collected them wherever he went. Rabbit was proud of his collection and burrowed it away in his cozy hole. But Rabbit had a problem, a big problem. What do you think the problem is? Do you see anything? Look, he has so many carrots he can't even get inside his house. They're coming out everywhere. He couldn't sleep. His cozy hole was too crowded to live in. It's coming out of the doors and everything. He has no room in there. I need a place to sleep, Rabbit told Tortoise. You could share my house, Tortoise offered. It looks cozy and snug, Rabbit said. Maybe it's a little too snug for two, suggested Tortoise. Not at all, said Rabbit. Do you think they both fit in there? No, they're a little too squished in his shell, huh? Uh-oh, oh dear, ouch, crash. Oh no, look what happened. See, his shell cracked. They didn't fit. Oh dear, well, perhaps we can stay in Bird's nest, said Rabbit. My nest is quite small, Rabbit, said Bird. I'm sure we will all fit, replied Rabbit. Rabbit hauled all his carrots up the tree. Whoa, groaned Tortoise as Bird as the branch wobbled and swayed. What do you think's gonna happen? I think it might be too heavy. And snapped. Crash! I'm so sorry, Bird. Now 3 of us don't have a place to sleep, said Rabbit. You can sleep in my house, offered Squirrel. Oh, thank you, Squirrel. How kind of you, said Rabbit. I don't think any more carrots will fit, Rabbit, said Squirrel. Just a few more, Rabbit replied. Uh-oh, whimpered Tortoise, Bird, and Squirrel. Well, what do you think's gonna happen? Creak, crack, crash. Oh no, look. All the carrots fell out of the tree. Now 4 of us don't have anywhere to sleep, grumbled Squirrel. You can sleep at my house, called Beaver. It has plenty of space. Great, I can bring even more carrots, Rabbit said with a smile. But with all your carrots, we can't fit inside, said Beaver, a bit bewildered. Just then the rain started. Tortoise shivered, Bird whimpered, Squirrel squeaked. And Beaver heard a terrible rumble as his house collapsed. Oh no, my house, yelled Beaver. Oh no, my carrots, cried Rabbit. See Beaver's house? His house is all broken and all the carrots are floating out the water. Crash! The friends groaned as they swept up on the riverbank. Rabbit felt terrible. His friends were cold, tired, and homeless, and it was all his fault. Even worse, Rabbit still had all of his carrots and his house, and that's when he realized there was only one thing to do. What do you think Rabbit's gonna do? Rabbit still has his house and all the carrots inside. What should he do? His friends don't have any homes anymore. What do you think he's gonna do? Maybe they can all go inside his house and he can take some carrots out. Let's see. Share everything with his friends. After all, carrots weren't for collecting, they were for sharing. See, so Rabbit shared all his carrots and now they all have room in his house. And sharing made everything better. And he even shared his bed with them. That was a very nice story. So Rabbit taught us that it's very nice to share, right? And we can't keep too many carrots in our house, otherwise we won't have any place to sleep, right? right? That was a very nice story. All right, my friends, I will see you tomorrow for circle time, okay? Bye.